Operations on functions. Now, we have here three functions. We have f of x, which is equal to 10x minus 9, and we have g of x, which is equal to 6x plus 5, and lastly, we have h of x equals minus 12x plus 7. We are going to use now subtraction. So let's say we have here our first example. We are going to subtract f of x and g of x. Okay? So just like in addition, we are just going to substitute the corresponding values of our f of x and our g of x. Okay? So our f of x here, we have 10x minus 9, then minus, you have to put now your grouping symbol, okay? We have 6x plus 5, okay? Then, let us remove your grouping symbol. We have 10x minus 9. However, to remove your grouping symbol, we have to distribute your minus sign here. So we have minus, this will be multiplied to 6x, that will become minus 6x. Then minus, it will be multiplied to 5, that will become minus 5. Now, you're going to find out now the difference by simply combining similar terms. So, from our example here, we have our similar terms. We have here your 10x and your minus 6x. So, 10x minus 6x, this is equal to 4x, right? It's equal to 4x. Then, minus 9 minus 5, that will be equal to minus 14. So this is now the answer, or the difference between f of x and g of x. How about if we are going to find out the value of, let's say, subtracting g of x and f of x? Are we going to have the same difference? So we will see. So g of x, we have its value, we have 6x plus 5, and we have our f of x minus, you put it inside your grouping symbol, parenthesis or quantity, we have 10x minus 9. So just like what we did as our processes using our first example, we are going to distribute our minus sign using our terms here. So we have here, this is supposed to be 10x, okay, that is 10x minus 9. So copy your 6x plus 5, then distribute your minus sign to your 10x, that will become minus 10x. Then distribute again your minus sign to your minus 9. So negative multiplied by negative 9, that will become plus 9. Again, now we are going to combine like terms. So our like terms here, we have your 6x, okay? We have your 6x and your minus 10x. Then we also have here your constants, okay? Your constants, your 5 and 9. Therefore, we have here your answer. 6x minus 10x is negative or minus 4x. Then we have 5 plus 9, that is equal to 14. So this is now the difference between g of x and f of x. As you can see, the signs are simply change. From our first example, we have 4x. In our second example, now it became minus 4x. Then in our first example, your constant sign here is minus 14. Then here it turned out to become positive. Okay, so they are not the same in terms of the sign. They are not totally the same. Now, let's have our third example. Let us use our h of x. How about getting the difference of h of x minus, let's say, let us use our g of x, okay? You have to remember always that the process in using operations on functions, using particularly addition subtraction, they are almost the same, okay? You just have to substitute the corresponding values of your functions, then operationalize by simply using the given operation, whether it's addition or subtraction. So we have our h of x, we have minus 12x plus 7. Okay, so we have here minus 12x plus 7. This is the value of h of x. Okay, let us see. Okay, it's minus 12x plus 7. Then our g of x is 6x plus 5. So minus here, your g of x, it is 6x plus 5. Okay, let us simplify. This is now, okay, here, you just have to copy, okay, your minus 12x plus 7. Then again, let us distribute this. Negative multiplied by 6x, that will become minus 6x. Then negative multiplied by positive 5, that will become minus 5. Then combine like terms as usual. So we have minus 12x and minus 6x. This two are to be combined. So minus 12x minus 6x, that will become minus 18x, right? So minus 12x minus 6x, that will become minus 18x. Then 7 minus 5, that will become plus 2. So that's the answer if we are going to find out the difference between h of x and g of x. Okay, so this is all about operations on functions using